Hi John, talking about Miele vacuums again. What makes a Miele vacuum the best choice for my home? The Miele vacuum stands out due to its German engineering, powerful suction, and advanced filtration system. Choosing a Miele vacuum at a Miele dealer AceVacuums ensures you get the perfect model for your home. Where can I buy an authentic Miele vacuum? You can purchase an authentic Miele vacuum from an authorized retailer like Miele dealer AceVacuums, where you'll find a wide selection and expert advice on any Miele. What is the difference between a Miele canister vacuum and an upright Miele vacuum? A Miele canister vacuum is ideal for homes with various floor types and is highly maneuverable, while an upright Miele vacuum is perfect for quick cleanups in homes with a lot of carpeting. Miele dealer AceVacuums can help you decide. Are Miele vacuum bags really necessary? Yes, Miele vacuum bags are essential. The Miele Vacuums filtration system, which includes the bag, traps up to 99.9% of fine dust, improving your indoor air quality. Why is my Miele vacuum losing suction? A Miele vacuum losing suction often has a full bag, a clogged filter, or a blocked hose. At Miele dealer AceVacuums, we offer a free diagnostic service for your Miele vacuum. What kind of maintenance does a Miele vacuum need? A Miele vacuum requires regular bag and filter changes to maintain optimal performance. For more complex issues, an authorized service center like Miele dealer AceVacuums is the best option for your Miele. Can I use a Miele vacuum to pick up pet hair? Absolutely. The Miele vacuum has models specifically designed for pet owners with specialized brushes that efficiently pick up pet hair. Ask Miele dealer AceVacuums about the cat and dog models. What does the HEPA filter mean on a Miele vacuum? The HEPA filter on a Miele vacuum is a high-efficiency particulate air filter that captures microscopic particles, making this Miele vacuum ideal for allergy sufferers. How long does a Miele vacuum last? A Miele vacuum is engineered to last for 20 years or more with proper maintenance. Durability is one of the key reasons the Miele vacuum is a valuable investment. Can I bring my Miele vacuum in for a warranty repair? Yes. Miele dealer AceVacuums is an authorized repair center for all Miele vacuums, allowing you to process warranty claims without having to ship your Miele away. Which Miele vacuum models are best for hard floors? The Miele Vacuum C1 and C3 series with the parquet twister attachment are excellent for hard floors. You can check out these models in person at Miele dealer AceVacuums. How do I know which bag to buy for my Miele vacuum? Each Miele vacuum uses a specific bag type. The GN, FJM, and U bags are the most common. Consult with Miele dealer AceVacuums to ensure you get the right bag for your Miele vacuum. What is the cost of a Miele vacuum repair? The cost of a Miele vacuum repair varies. At Miele dealer AceVacuums, we offer a free initial diagnostic for your Miele vacuum to provide a transparent estimate. Is the Miele canister vacuum too heavy? The Miele canister vacuum is designed to be lightweight and easy to maneuver. Miele dealer AceVacuums has models you can try in the store to feel their portability. Can I purchase accessories for my Miele vacuum? Yes, there is a wide range of accessories for the Miele vacuum that enhance its versatility. Miele dealer AceVacuums sells all genuine accessories for your Miele vacuum. Why is my Miele vacuum making a strange noise? A strange noise from a Miele vacuum may indicate a motor issue or a clog. Bring your Miele vacuum to Miele dealer AceVacuums for a professional inspection. How do I clean the filter on my Miele vacuum? Miele vacuums have different filter types. Some are replaceable, while others are washable. It's best to visit Miele dealer AceVacuums for the correct instructions for your Miele vacuum model. Which Miele vacuum is best for a home with allergies? The Miele vacuum with the Air Clean HEPA filtration system is the best option. Its sealed system and advanced filter ensure the Miele vacuum captures most allergens. Can I use third-party parts on my Miele vacuum? It is not recommended to use third-party parts on a Miele vacuum as it can affect performance and void the warranty. Miele dealer AceVacuums only uses genuine replacement parts for the Miele vacuum. How do I know when to change the bag on my Miele vacuum? Most Miele vacuums have a bag full indicator. When the indicator turns red, it's time to change the bag on your Miele vacuum.